Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Some time back, we had put one video on YouTube which you have seen already, and the topic was Stock SIP. See the returns, be amazed. Today, I am going to give you more details because people have been asking for it. This is the slide we put in front of you that day. For example, somebody had invested for 20 years, Titan company would have given you 2.21 crores, Havels 1.52 crores, Asian Paint, I made a small red asterisk. We said that it's going to give you 38 lakhs. We made a correction. Correct calculation now, it is not 38 lakhs, 66 lakhs. And then SBI, ITC, etc. Total is standing to corrected at 4.54 crores. My dear friends, now I'm going to give you the inner details. For example, in the year 2000, October, I invested 50,000. It was 50,000 only. 2001, I had invested 1 lakh already. It has come down to 97,673. That means it has depreciated by 2.33%. By this time, many of the people who got a weak heart would have sold their portfolio thinking that what Dr. Bharath Chandra is saying is not working. 2002, 1,50,000 became 1.82 lakhs. 2005, 3 lakhs became 14 lakhs. And then 2010, the 5.5 lakhs became 66.58 lakhs. And 2015, my dear friends, it appreciated to 1.89 crores. In 2019, the 10 lakhs you had put has appreciated to 4.67 crores. And in 2020, something to note, 10.50 that you invested has come down to 4.54 crore instead of 4.67. That means many people will think I will simply sell it off because now I'm undergoing loss. Wrong assumptions. Please continue to see the video. Now, like in cricket match, I am going to give you some projections in the run rate. If the current growth rate of 24.86% continues, next year your total will be 5.67 crores, and then next year to that, 2022, that will be 7.08 crores. But we will assume that the market improves only by 10%. In that case, total will be for 2021 4.99 crores, 2022 5.48 crores. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to press the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you will get the notification directly next time. If you are already the member, please enjoy seeing the videos. If you like the video, please press the like button without fail and without forgetting. And then the information that I have given you is good. Please type good in the comment section so that I'll feel happy that you've been watching this video. Share this video to at least 50 people so that they will also understand about the profitability of stock market. They will also have good opinion about stock market. Now I have around 4 observations regarding today's matter. First one is, in stock market you don't get fixed percentage returns like in fixed deposit. The second one is, the growth rate is different for different years. Third one is, sometimes the portfolio total value may be less than last year. If you have faith in stock market, time to continue. The fourth observation is, you have to do fundamental analysis once in 3 months for all the stocks you have in your portfolio, and in case it is depreciating, in case the profit of the companies are coming down, you may replace them with something better than that. In this example, we have continued with State Bank of India and ITC, though they were underperforming for the last 5 to 8 years. But if we had changed, instead of 4 crore plus, probably you would have got 6 crore plus. Now let me tell you the story of Ramesh. Imagine Ramesh started investing 50,000 rupees per annum from 2000 October onwards. Let us imagine his salary was 2.4 lakhs, out of which he is investing 50,000 per annum. That means it works out to 4,167 rupees only per month. And then, my dear friends, his salary was 20,000 long back. Putting 10% hike every year, let us assume his salary is 1.35 lakhs per month now. Now, in the last 20 years, Ramesh received 4.54 crores in total. Net is 4.44 crores. Divided by 20, on an average, retrospect, he received 22 lakhs per year and 1.85 lakhs per month. And now imagine his salary was only 20,000 rupees per month in 2000, and what he got in retrospect is approximately 22 lakhs per annum and wonderful profits. That means Ramesh is making money as he is sleeping. Very, very important. My dear friends, on a long-term basis, stock market is a secondary income for every one of you. There are some wrong assumptions people make regarding the investments and the profits from stock markets. First one is, people think I invest 50,000 rupees and immediately it becomes 20 lakhs at the end of the year. Not like that. It has to appreciate slowly. Second one is, the market value of the portfolio will never fall. Every year it will go up. Wrong. Third one is, if the market crashes, let us imagine in 2021. Let us imagine in 2021 there was a big crash and people assume that 4.54 crores will become zero. Wrong assumptions. Fourth assumption is, in case the market crashes, 4.54 may go down to 3.3 or 2.9, not 0 as we popularly assume. Even if you get 2.9, your investment is hardly 10 lakhs 50,000. So that is why you are in profit always. Another example, imagine you have a plot of land in Rajajinagar. Present cost is 4 crores. The market crashes, will it come down to 0? No, 4 crores may come to 2.9 crores or 3 crores. But what you paid to acquire the plot way back in 1980 was in the range of somewhere around 5 or 10,000 rupees. So profit is always there. Friends, thank you for watching this video to the end. Send this video to at least 50 to 100 people so that they will get some idea about stock market. I'll be grateful to you for having spread the word. Thank you. Bye-bye.